afternoon. Benidorm is getting more and more popular every single day. Temperatures are rising. Today is a lovely 18 degrees. So the perfect weather to take you guys along the Rincon bars and towards Levante beach to check out some beach bars over there, how crowded it is. But before we're going to head there, please do help me out. Do give the video a like, greatly appreciated, greatly boosted towards the rest. And do subscribe if you want more updates from Benidorm. So we're starting right up here, got Mariano's all the way back there. Silver Dollar Bar and many more bars are on there. Then we're going to head towards the Levante beach. Because with this beautiful weather, almost no clouds at all, of course we've got to check that out. So after its winter closure, Mariano's is back open again since February. It's busy inside, really loads of people enjoying their meal this afternoon. So the bars are even more popular. First one up, Piccadilly. And then we got the Silver Dollar. Everyone is out enjoying the sun, enjoying the music, some drinks. Lovely winter weather, especially for Benidorm. Last few weeks have been noticeably lots of wind. Thankfully, situation has improved. Looks like this. And to be honest, the weather for the upcoming days will be like today. Yeah. I'll put the forecast in the screen right now so I can show you guys. It'll stay around 20 degrees. And at the end of the week, there is some wind in the forecast, but if the sun shines, it's beautiful out. There we got the Ocas Hotel, currently getting renovated for the summer. Make sure it's modern and fresh, everything again. They're hard at work up there. The other hotel, which is right next to it, Sol Pelicanos, is currently open as normal. And this is the famous one where they recorded the Benidorm series.
I want to get a picture.
I think they're on their way to have a good time on the strip. Really busy out there at all those bars. I think we've seen enough. Let's head towards the beach. Maybe there are even some people out there in the sun on the sand, enjoying the sun, sunbathing. Let's have a look. From the area back there, near the Flash Hotel where we just were, it's literally just a 3-minute walk towards the beach. It's really close. Gaby's is on my left, and they are doing really good business for just a Monday. Completely outside terrace is full. That must promise something for what is happening on the Levante beach. Beautiful weather out here. The leftovers from all the storms we had the last few weeks are still visible out there. This will dry up over time, but in the next weekend there is some wind coming up again, so probably they'll wait before cleaning this up, before everything has passed, else they got double work, of course. On the right side they're enjoying the sun, and on my left people are doing that as well, but then with a beer with them. By the way, a pint costs you over here $2.50. Not that expensive at Sol Beach. The first line, looking over the promenade. Nice people looking and enjoying the awesome weather we have this week. Finally, the red flag is gone. We got the yellow back. At least that's some progress. And yes, there are people sunbathing. Quite a lot actually for February. There is almost hardly any wind on this beach. Really makes up for that. But on this side I can't see anyone in the water. Temperature of the seawater is, by the way, still 14 degrees. That's really cold. It's coldest of the year. It will warm up over time, but I think someone back there doesn't mind it. He's already in.
Because that's like a big dog. Esto y de los ponía dando un paseo con la
Despite we're having some good weather already, the water skiing won't open, I believe, until April, when the weather really improves. I love the skyline like this. And if you enjoy it as well, then definitely make sure to hit that like and do subscribe, guys. As well, I'm active on Facebook, so make sure you check that one out and do follow me over there as well. Thanks everyone for watching.